Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saroj Srivastava, and today I am going to read a new chapter, chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquito. Students, here is given some conversation of students. So let's start chapter. Blood test. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am all right, Rajat replied softly. Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home, Rajat. Who want to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Jaskirat, a blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Students, painful means distress, either physical or mental. Rajat, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, students, pricked means to make a small hole in a surface of something. It felt like an ant bite. They took 2 or 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Students, malaria is a disease. Nancy, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Jaskirat, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Nancy, who say that every mosquito bite causes malaria. Malaria is spread only by the disease carrying mosquito. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me, Rajat. There must be some difference. Friends, here is given 2 pictures. First picture is the sample of blood test and second laboratory where blood is going to test. Taking the blood on the glass slide for test, malaria spread through a female mosquito Anopheles. Second, Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. Students, microscope is the instrument that make things look 1,000 times bigger. The detail inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bite me? Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? Students, after reading this chapter, you can reply this answer. Find out. First, do you know anyone who had malaria? Students, do you know any person who had been suffered from malaria? Write their name. How did they find out what they had malaria? It was found by blood test. And third, what problem did they have on having malaria? A person who shows symptoms like fever with chills and razors is known as this person have malaria. Fourth, what other disease can be caused by mosquito bite? Dengue, chikungunya, etc. disease can be caused by mosquito bites. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happen? In rainy season, malaria is common because of rainwater fill everywhere near our houses. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also, find out from your friends about what they do. The students, to protect yourself from mosquito, firstly, we clean our house and do not store any water near our houses. Second, you use mosquito net, coil, etc. Look at the report. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? Students, look this report, Rajat blood test report. Here is in second line given fever with chills and razors help us to know that the person has malaria. Medicine for malaria. From early time, the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patient. Now tablets are made from this.